Hello everyone. So I came early and at school. So while waiting, I just studying first. So because I am alone here, so I came here early. So I need to study for the oral because it's not easy to to memorize the almost 100. You need to memorize this vocabulary. Yeah, so I need to study maybe until because my class is 4 p.m. So I just come here at 2:30. So while waiting for the 1 hour and a half, so I will I will study. So this is my pad. So I need to find the uh, assignment. Yeah. This one, so the fee is 42 and 41, and also the page 25, page 24, 25, and 26 until 40 to 41. Yeah, that's it. So I need to memorize this almost 100 vocabulary. So while waiting, so I will I will write this for easy to memorize. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. So hope you can subscribe and like this video. Support my channel and also my YouTube channel. Yes. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I need to end this video because I need a focus. Yeah, also this one, my assignment. I have until until here. This is my assignment. So I will pass this today. Yes. Okay, see you. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless.